Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 28th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar yen, we did push down pretty good today. We definitely got some pretty decent little breaks of structure. We got our Fibonacci retracement on this whole move right here. Now, I would be expecting this to likely be a pullback to this move up, but we would be looking for shorts right now. And if we're looking for shorts and it just keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, then great news. If we're looking for shorts and it makes a double bottom at any one of these fib levels and then breaks structure to the upside, then we would simply stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs. We do have to remember that the very high time frames are technically still in an uptrend, and there is a chance that it pushes all the way up to the 78% Fibonacci retracement and beyond. So that's why we do have to look at this move down as possibly just a pullback within an uptrend, which is why if we do get a break of structure to the upside at any one of these fib levels, we better start looking for logs again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.